Desert Treasures, exploring Palmyra's ancient ruins. Welcome back, travelers. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to the ancient city of Palmyra, nestled in the heart of Syria. Palmyra, once a vibrant desert oasis and a significant crossroads of civilizations, holds a wealth of intriguing tales and architectural marvels. Join me as we uncover the most fascinating facts about this enchanting UNESCO World Heritage Site. Palmyra was known as the Bride of the Desert, due to its awe-inspiring beauty and unique position as an oasis in the arid Syrian desert. The city flourished as a prosperous trade hub, connecting the east and west through lucrative caravan routes. Its strategic location played a vital role in its cultural and economic significance. Palmyra boasts remarkable architectural treasures that blend Greco-Roman and Persian influences. The city's monumental colonnade, stretching over a kilometer long, is a testament to its grandeur and urban planning. The Temple of Bel, the Great Colonnade, and the impressive funerary towers are just a few examples of Palmyra's architectural splendors that continue to captivate visitors to this day. One of the most fascinating chapters in Palmyra's history revolves around Queen Zenobia, a formidable ruler who challenged the might of the Roman Empire. Zenobia led Palmyra's revolt against Rome and expanded her realm, briefly establishing an independent kingdom. Her charisma, intellect, and military prowess have made her a legendary figure, representing the spirit of Palmyra's defiance against imperial powers. Palmyra had its unique form of writing known as Palmyrene script. This ancient Aramaic-based script was used to record various inscriptions, dedicatory texts, and funerary epitaphs found throughout the city. These written records offer valuable insights into the social and cultural aspects of Palmyra's society, showcasing its multi-ethnic and multicultural nature. Sadly, Palmyra suffered extensive damage due to the ongoing conflicts in the region. In 2015, the city faced severe destruction at the hands of the Islamic State. However, international efforts have been made to restore and safeguard this invaluable cultural heritage. The restoration work is an ongoing process, aiming to preserve and revive the glory of Palmyra for future generations to appreciate. And there you have it, the most fascinating facts about Palmyra. Despite the challenges it has faced, Palmyra continues to captivate us with its rich history, architectural wonders, and tales of resilience. Join me next time as we embark on another thrilling expedition through the annals of history.